To be perfectly honest, I really don't know why I put this here. Alright, so here we have the Tactical Glock. Run us through it.
Yeah,
It's a piece of it won't work.
I think that's kind of a given.
No, I'll break the
let me hold it.
As you can see, scope taped to the side for some reason, massive bipod.
It's not taped to the side, it's just one.
Ed wisely stays out of the birth of the Antichrist. That was my failed attempt at being funny. That is the single best thing in existence.
It doesn't work.
No, that's not the point. It looks like a laser.
It's wired.
Send me attachments.
And that, my friends, is the Tactical Glock.
Ladies and gentlemen, we interrupt this program to bring you important... Right up there.